Many of the ideas and insights presented in this video are dedicated to my idea of the following scenario.
What do we have?
The first time I review a loan tape, it appears in my mind like a pencil sketch drawing. During my examination and confirmation of the facts, as I learn more and more about each individual loan and each borrower, the sketch earns some color. In my mind, the more information I gather, the more color is added to my pencil sketch. I can never have too much color.
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color for this?
Hello again, friends. This is Alfred Einstein coming to you once again from the Specialized Pockets of Knowledge Studios. In today's video, we discuss a video series designed for defaulted mortgage note investors. With that said, let's get right into it, shall we? The upcoming video series is designed to help you add as much color to your loan tapes as humanly possible. It's my hope that once a loan tape is colored in and you're holding a glossy photo, that you'll be able to make wise decisions and profit from those decisions. I've had my fair share of success through the investment of defaulted mortgage notes. The operative word in that sentence being default, because if a mortgage note is in default, the pricing can be very attractive.
What's that?
Show off.
On the other hand, should a note be current, along with other considerations, the pricing won't nearly be as attractive and will most likely be close to par, which is 100 cents on the dollar, or even over par. One of the more important features on defaulted note investing, as with most ventures, is getting into the game. You get into the note game by getting your name out there among the parties looking to sell notes, and eventually you'll be offered an opportunity to submit an indicative bid. This video series will focus on the due diligence required to safely submit those indicative bids, and maybe even have a chance to win more than your fair share.
I told you had the wrong guy, little boy.
What this video series is not is a masterclass on where to locate notes. I will offer some insights on the subject, and I got some pretty good ideas, but this class is mostly based on our expertise. That expertise lies in due diligence and uncovering the truth about defaulted mortgage pools, not marketing for them. If you'd be so kind to please hit the important buttons so we can notify you when the newest videos are published, I would appreciate it very much. Thank you.
Just checking.
The goal of the upcoming video series is to attempt to create probability models that can be used to evaluate single loans as well as pools, with a predetermined degree of accuracy, consistency, and discipline. Each loan should be measured and graded by a certain well-defined protocols. We help you develop those protocols in depth. Each factor shall be weighed for its importance to the value and how it affects the probability of success. It's interesting that I mentioned success because some investors in defaulted mortgage notes view success much differently than others. Some are simply happy acquiring the property through the foreclosure process, which is the most expensive way to get real estate. Buy it from the foreclosure sale, man. Don't buy the note. However, other investors understand that it's more important to try to get this loan current. Once you get the loan current, you'll be able to sell the loan to other investors that are looking simply for money and not for problem. Because let's face it, when you buy a mortgage in default, you're paying pennies on the dollar. The reason is because there's some problems with that mortgage note. But I'm going to teach you how to measure the risk before you get into it. The more I look at offerings for defaulted notes for sale, the more I'm convinced that most note sellers are clueless. Either they or I am.
You smoke much?
I just started.
For example, I just reviewed a loan tape where the majority of the listed borrowers haven't made a payment since 2015. People, it's 2022. So I ask you, how can you stare at a non-performing asset for 7 years without making any progress?
That's an attention getter.
I mean, I just don't get it. And I can help you get better at this. Remember, you don't know what you don't know. Also, please remember to visit your local real estate investor club meetings. There's a wealth of knowledge in that room, and it couldn't hurt you to go visit and pick some up. Also, please help us to improve our content by commenting in the section below. Until next time, this is Alfred Einstein wishing you all a great week. Many of the ideas and insight.
Do it! No! Make God! Your dreams please, no! Come true! No! Just no! Do it! No!
Among other conditions. evaluate